What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Zeekr X right here in Palace Beige. I love the name. Color is very stunning as well. Here to give you a walk around to show you what this car actually looks like. So we got the daytime running lights located up here, which I will turn on later in a while more. You got your chrome badging, which also is stated in a beautiful way. Daytime running lights on your right. You got your main headlamps down here, and we have tons of sensors, and even on the other rear end of the car, so you can find it. Got some black opening here for some cooling purposes, for some air to flow. Let's take a walk around to the other side first. Let's move on to the passenger. You got this beautiful design side mirrors. Love this design because it's very uniquely having some gap around down here. Very nice. Before that, the wheels. Now the wheels on this car are actually 19-inch, so it's the size of it is 235/50R19. These are the design of the wheels with a solid disc brake. You got this two-tone wheel design, and that's how it looks. Beautiful looking. Got some design at the side of the car. Cuts away just like that. Very nice indeed. The opening of the doors, it's very nice, you know. Just slot your hand in and then you open up and close the doors. It's very beautiful looking. Now we have some slight design elements that are similar to the other model also as well. But yeah, Yamaha speakers on the top right here. Very nice design. You get a very simple steering wheel, which we'll get to in a while more. But check out the headrest. I believe we can move it up, or maybe we cannot move it up. Okay, so it's permanent that way. And you get some nice gold touches here and there all over the side of the seats, headrests and whatnot. To lift up, lift down, those kind of seat adjustments that we see. Now you also get this very simple design for your windows, which you can push and move up and down in a while more. Show it to you. But yeah, at the rear part, this place will also be lighted up as well, similar to that one over there. You get these very unique door handles. To open up the doors, basically you press to open. I'll show it to you in a while more. That's how comfy the legroom is at the back. Got some nice gold finishes, gold touches here and there. And yep. Okay, so back to the rear part. Let's have a seat on the inside. Now we have some Yamaha speakers located down here. You got a speaker over here also as well. Close the doors, and to open up the doors is a button over here, but let's open up first, let it be exposed. You got some aircon vents here, and check out the legroom. I'm sitting comfortably at the back here, and this, I believe, is some sort of other place that you can pull out to store some stuff. In a while more maybe. So yeah, we have plenty of legroom down here. It's super comfortable and nice. The headroom also is fantastic. You got a glass roof right on the top, beautifully designed. And check out the center part right here. Got a place to keep your cup holders. It's nice seating as well, depending on how many people are sitting on the inside. But yeah, let's move to the center and take a look. Got a lot of space here and there. It's very nice, super comfy. We'll move to the front in a while more. But yeah, let's check out the rear. So they also have this nice touches here and there to hang some stuff. Even up here you can, there's a way you can configure to hook some net and things like that. So the rear, you can actually pull it down if you wish to fold down the seats. We will get right to that later on. But check out the rear boot space. It's beautiful. Plenty of storage. You can remove this as well. Fold down the rear seats. Electronic boot. Let's close that down. Check out how it actually looks. So yeah, these are with the lights off, but we'll turn on the lights in a while more. Open up the rear boot again. Check out what's down here. These are your cable to charge the car, which is provided. Warning triangle over there, and you have a reflector jacket because you're stopping the car at night, so you don't want anyone to accidentally bump into you. They need to see that you're there. So let's close down the rear. Now let's move on to the Zeekr light. They will be lit up when you unlock and lock the cars normally, but later on I'll show you how it turns on, those lights. But yeah, cool looking car. The rear wheels, now they are in 235/50 R19. So yeah, same solid disc brakes, two-tone wheel design. So let's move to the inside. Check this out. I'm comfortably sitting already. Earlier in the rear seats, you'll notice I was comfortably sitting there as well. In this case, just nice. My hand straight up. Looking really good as well. Sitting position is fine. You can adjust the seats if I wish to. Place to charge your phone. Cup holder. You can keep your cans. You can fold down that, pull it back up. More storage down there. All the way down. You got some other Type-C chargings right here. Place to keep some stuff over there. Let's turn on the lighting, shall we? Turn that on. So now the lights are on. We will head right to the exterior part of the car to show you. But yeah, these are your gear levers. For you to park, you got to push P on the inside. But yeah, you got some drive, reverse and things like that. Wiper controls together with your rear wiper as well. Front wiper and the rear wiper, the speed adjustments signal. You also can do that as well. But let's check the lights out, shall we? Ambient lighting, also you have amazing designs all over the place. Speaker setup right here with the lights as well. Got the Yamaha speaker right there. Head-up display right here. Super cool design. I love it. Check that out. Now these are with the lights actually turned on, the daytime running lights. The main head-up, headlights are located at the bottom. Let's move to the rear. Now you have your lights located right there. The centerward Zeekr will be lit up. Now let's move on and try and at least just switch one signal on to show people how the turn indicators actually blink. So we have one down here. We got right there. So it's not here, it's just right here. But this one will continue to maintain its lights all over. And let's move to the rear. Brake lights over here. And you will also notice over here as well. So yeah, very nice design. You have the X badging over here. Looks really stunning. Some reflectors for your car in case you're driving at night, so also reflects it out in a very beautiful way. It's a beautiful design. Really love it a lot. So yeah, if you'd like to find out more about this, you can head down to Zeekr Sunway and find out more about this beautiful car. So yeah. Now let us also open the front hood of the car, just so that people know what's hiding at the front here. Check out how clean it looks. Super clean. You got some very minimal storage here. I believe you can keep your cable here if you wish to, instead of going to the back to go and get it. But yeah, hooks on your windshield washer for you to close the rear, for the hood to rip it on, so that you guys can actually clip it much more easier. Later in a while more I'll close it. But yeah, check out the charging place at the back. You got your AC and you got your DC. So very nicely done. Push that back in. Cool. Beautiful design, guys. Beautiful design. Let's close the door. Very nice. Stunning.